Did you know that Adobe Premiere will cut down music for you? What? I had heard legend of this, and I know it's been around for a minute, but I just used it, and it works really, really, really well. Okay, so this is what I mean. So I brought in a song, and my video clip ends here, and there's all this extra song. So like, I used to cut it down myself or just chop the song off, whatever. There's lots of options, but this is gonna blow your mind. Make sure you go to the audio workspace, and then you're gonna head to Essential Sound. Now you're going to select the music clip in the timeline, and then you're going to categorize it as music. Now it's going to bring up this menu, and you're going to click on duration. And this is the number that we're gonna work with. So this is the current length of the song, but we want the length of the video, which is this. So I'm going to click on this, and then I am going to change it to the time of our video. What? Look at what happened. Look. If I undo it, it's the full length of the song. And then when we change the time, ba-bam. What? So it does require a little bit of finessing depending on how you want your video to land. So you could make this song a little bit longer, a little bit shorter, but amazing. And you can see where it made the cuts, and it does not sound like that's a cut. It sounds like the music. It's crazy. Try it yourself and let me know what you think. Is your mind blown or not? Because I'm still spinning over this.